guys, my name is Sumit. Welcome back to Busy Magazine. In today's video, I'm going to show you all 3 major tips to make PowerPoint the grandest, to make the best PowerPoint in the world. So, here are the 3 tips. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with the friends who need to make good PowerPoint. Let's jump into this video and let's go. Yeah.
Tip number 1 is themes or templates. Templates are a set of presentations which you can customize, and it's already very beautiful. You are currently viewing one of my template presentations. To insert templates, go for more themes. After selecting more themes, scroll down and pick your fancy. Whew, these are nice. Okay, and over here you can see search for suggested templates. If you want, you can search education, theme charts, etc. I'll click charts, or a random search category of your choosing. Now again, pick what you like, and I'll click this just for example. After you click whatever presentation theme you want, go and click create. Then it will say downloading your template. After downloading is over, you will jump into your templates presentation editing view. It will take some time depending according to the size of your template. And over here, let's preview our template. It's very beautiful. You can see we have lots of topics and lots of other stuff about it, charts, etc. Okay. Let's jump into tip number 2. Tip number 2 is called design ideas. Open a new presentation and type the topic which you want. I'll type cars. And over here in the home page you will see design ideas pop up. If you don't see design ideas pop up, just go for the home page and click design ideas in the corner. Then it will generate design ideas. It will give you design ideas related to the topic or beautiful backgrounds. I'll click the one related to the topic. If you don't find design ideas over here in the home page, go for the design tab, and in the far right corner you will see design ideas. Again, you click this. There's one certain caveat when you use design ideas. When you open a new slide, it won't be as blank white. It will be a colored slide depending according to your theme. This theme is blue, that's why it's over here blue. So I recommend you to use one slide by a slide. So first create this slide, then create this slide, so you will have a separate idea for 2 separate slides. You can see this and this are separate. Okay,
that was an amazing tutorial. Hope you had fun. Hope the background music was not too loud. Just check out the new gaming series on the channel. It's gonna come out really soon. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Like I said, check out these 2 videos. They are very interesting and very nice. First one is let's crack Photoshop, and next is a PowerPoint series. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.